stuff. So,
alright, yum.
Now you can enjoy your meal. Sit in chair.
This is really good. Oh. That's really good. Salty sweet.
Greta gets 2 of those. 3 of those. Everyone else gets 2. And this one you said?
Not food.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the banana is great.
That's very cheesy.
Don't go.
Alright. Finish it.
So first, you're going to take the olive oil and just add a small little dollop in the center.
We are going to make sure none of them are sticking and lightly get them.
Olive oil.
Extra virgin like you! Salami, gluten-free.
And our bite-sized, dry, gluten-free salami.
Salami.
Hi, I'm Greta. I'm gonna be teaching you how to attack.
Yay!
So you're going to turn the oven. Darn it, no, that's not enough. So, we're going to take, and you're going to do this till, I don't know what, till it sizzles. And now you're going to take a spatula and flip them all over onto the other side.
Yes, flip me, daddy.
Yes, flip me, daddy. Yes, flip me, daddy.
After you flip them, turn the stove to low,
Smells bad!
and then
Real enemy!
that's not a good sound.
Good sound.
Okay, and now you're going. Hi, I'm Greta. I'm going to be teaching you how to baconize salami.
Gluten-free salami. Gluten-free.
Baconized salami.
When it's done sizzling, you can take it off the stove and put it onto a plate.
Well, that's hot!
And now, when you're finished, you can enjoy a nice bite-sized bacon salami. Yum. What are you doing?
Would you look at this? We got some coconut oil.
No,
Okay.
no. Okay.
You're good.
So, we're going to be now, no. And now we will be frying bananas. So first, you're going to take some organic coconut oil and you're just going to take a little spoonful and put it in the pan. Stop. I said stop. We're not there yet. So, you're going to turn the stove on to low heat. And then you're just going to spread the coconut oil across the pan. If you need to add more, that's fine.
Then.
We gotta cut the banana.
So, we will cut it. Alright, no, end it now. So we remove the skin. We'll
It's called a
start.
peel. He's got a knife! Juan.
So, you must remove the peel. And we'll just move that off to the side. And then slice kind of thin but kind of thick slices. Because we are going to be doing a lot more with these bananas.
If you know what I mean.
Okay, then we're okay. So now
I am the one.
spatula, and we will turn the stove back on to medium heat and wait for a golden brown color at the bottom. Man, it smells so good in here. So we got a nice texture on them. So now we're gonna turn the stove off so we don't get any more little burnt pieces of banana at the bottom. Okay.
You
So
have the
now-
brand facing out so you can get.
Okay. So we have some peanut butter, we have our bananas, we have some crackers, and we have some butterscotch. And we're going to make a delightful meal with this. Okay, now stop. Alright, now
We are taking these bananas.
So now our grilled cheese is very nicely browned and it's ready, so I think we're going to plop it onto the plate. Oh, look at that melted cheese.